Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying admin access on the channel you want a link. You need permission to change account settings. Once logged into YouTube Studio, go straight to Settings, then Permissions. That's where linking starts. Make sure you understand whether each channel is a brand account versus a personal channel, because that affects transfer options. Open the destination account in another tab, so you can add users and approve requests. This step avoids permission blocks and speeds the process up. Now you add the destination account. In Permissions, click Invite, enter the destination email or account name, and select Manager or Owner based on your goal. You choose Owner if you plan to transfer channel control, choose Manager for limited linking. Once invited, switch to the destination channel and accept the invitation in YouTube Studio or the email notification. Approval completes the handoff step. After acceptance, confirm roles and wait for propagation. Changes can take a few minutes to apply across Google services. To finalize, use brand account settings to move channels or confirm the linked relationship. You may need to transfer channel ownership if that's your goal. Make sure to check common blockers, insufficient role permissions, brand account limits, or Google's 60-day transfer lock after prior moves. If something goes wrong, revoke the invite and re-invite the destination account because a fresh invitation often clears permission glitches. If that fails, capture the exact error message and contact support, providing precise text speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.